Did you know that a lightning bolt is 5 miles long and only 1 inch wide? If not, then listen to this. I will tell you about a lightning size and speed, how it's formed, what damage it causes, and how you can stay safe. A lightning is formed when ice and crystals collide, creating many electric charge. A lightning bolt only lasts a few seconds. It is then followed by booming thunder. Lightning is formed in clouds caused by water and ice particles moving in the cloud. When the positive and the negative charges separate in the cloud, the negative charge attracts two positive ones. On the ground, the light is 1,000,000 times faster than the sound. Lightning can cause lots of damage to humans and nature. Lightning kills more people than hurricane or tornadoes, between 75 to 100 people per year. Lightning strikes cause thousands of fires which destroy plants and animals' habitat. How can you stay safe during a lightning storm? First, make sure you stay indoors. Also, look for shelter if you are outdoors. Always keep first kit on hand. Now you know more about lightning formation, location, impact, and safety. Go to weatherwithkids.com to read more about this topic.